Hey guys, welcome to another video where we show you a recipe to make at home using our products. Whether you bought the mac and cheese make at home kit or our cheese sauce by itself, today we're gonna make something really bomb. We're doing a Creole style mac and cheese. So we're gonna use sausages. We used Beyond sausages. We're gonna use some Creole seasoning and some veggies. It's a very easy recipe and it's so flavorful and I can't wait to get started. Let's go. What we're gonna need is, I used about 1/4 of an onion, some bell peppers. I'm gonna use 2 Beyond sausages and some Creole seasoning. So the way this is gonna work is you're gonna have your 16 ounce, so we're gonna use 2 cups of our mac and cheese sauce. If you got the 32 ounce, you'll use half the container. If you got the 16 ounce, you'll use the full container. And what we're gonna do is boil our pasta, get it ready to go, and then we're gonna cook up these veggies. So let's go on over to the pan. So we're gonna go ahead and put our onions, bell peppers in there. I'm using a little bit of water to cook these veggies down. And then you're gonna need about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. You could use fresh chopped garlic or ground garlic. I chose to use ground garlic because that's what we have. I'm mixing it up. And then we're going to let it cook for a few minutes. We're good to go, everybody. So as you can see, these are cooking up really nice. So now what we're gonna do is we have our cooked pasta. We're gonna add our onions and peppers into the pasta. We're gonna add our Beyond sausages. I use the original in there. We're gonna add half of our 32 ounce, so this is gonna be 16 ounces. Okay, looks good. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of this Creole seasoning.
Yum.
Yum. And then we're gonna mix it all up, baby. That looks good. Okay, you guys, so we've let it sit. As you can see, it's looking very creamy and very thick. I'm gonna put it all up in there. And this is it, y'all. So this is the way that this dish looks. You're definitely welcome to add hot sauce if you want it to be even spicier, but with the Creole seasoning, there's some spice in there, but do it to taste. Try it, see what you think, and then add more hot if you want.